Where does the name for Porth Dyniewaid come from? So today I'm in Porth Dyniewaid, or in English Angel Bay. It's a little harbour just attached to Dyniewaid, the Little Orme in Conwy County. The name's made of two parts: Porth, which is a harbour or a bay, and Dyniewaid, which is the plural of Dyniewaid, which is a Middle Welsh way of saying a seal. So literally it means Seal's Bay. In English it's called Angel Bay because apparently a boat used to operate out of it called the Angel, but I can't find anything to back that up. And there's an older name for it as well, which is Whitechapel Bay, but again that doesn't really make too much sense because as far as I can tell there's never really been a chapel in the area, let alone a white one. Now, the name for this promontory, which comes out just off the Little Orme, Dyniewaid, is called Troen y Fuwch. Now, the name's made of three parts again. Troen, which means a nose, which means the, and Fuwch, which is the soft mutation of buwch, which means a cow. So this bit of rock that juts out into the sea is called the nose of the cow. And it's called that because from the sea, it looks a little bit like the shape of a cow's nose. Anyway, diolch. Subscribe for more, give us a like, share it with people you know, and if you want to support me in my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can check out my Patreon, which is in my link in my bio. Diolch again, have a good one.